Lilienthal Bekas. The Lilienthal Bekas Lilienthal Snipe in English, Lilienthal Х-32 Bekas in Russian is a 2/3-seat, high-wing single-engine pusher ultralight from Ukraine. First flown in 1993, it has been produced in large numbers and in several variants. Design and development. The Lilienthal Bekas is a pod and boom, multi-purpose, pusher configuration ultralight with a high wing and low set boom carrying a T-tail. The well-glazed pod seats two in tandem and carries the constant chord wing at its top. The wing is braced to the lower fuselage by two pairs of cross-braced struts and is fitted with flaps which have a maximum deflection of 4 A fixed tricycle undercarriage with a castering nose wheel is mounted on the pod. The engine is mounted at the rear top of the pod, behind the cabin. Types in the 60-100 HP 45-75 kW range may be fitted, most commonly Rotax 2 or 4-cylinder models, such as the Rotax 582 or 912 UL and 912 ULS. The engine is cowled on some aircraft, but not all. Much of the slim boom is occupied by a broad chord fin with a straight swept leading edge. On some aircraft it is extended forwards with a fillet. The rudder hinge, also slightly swept, is at the end of the boom. The tailplane is of constant chord and braced to the end of the boom by a strut on each side. The aircraft has JAR-VLA certification. Operational history. The Х-32 Bekas first flew in March 1993 and received its Ukrainian certification in 1995. The Rotax 582 and 912 variants were certified in 2003 and 2005 respectively. Between 2003 and 2006, the Х-32 and X-34 were marketed by JAI Jordan Aerospace Industries as the Rumbird X-32 and Gulfbird X-34. In India and South Asian countries, X-32 and X-34 are being marketed and produced by their Indian partners Ingenious Aerospace Limited. http://ingeniousaerospace.com/project/aircraft X-32/ by 2009, more than 400 X-32 variants. Data from James All the World's Aircraft 2010/11 X-32 at Bekas sports version certified for limited aerobatics. X-32 UT Bekas dual control trainer version. X-32 CK Bekas agricultural version, which may be fitted with spray bars fed from tank replacing rear seat. X-32 CX Bekas agricultural version for crop spraying. X-32 Bekas 32 Bekas ski undercarriage. X-32 H Bekas float undercarriage. X-34 Bekas widened cabin for 3, with the 2 passengers side by side on a rear bench seat, 500 mm greater span and either Rotax 912S or Rotax 914 engine. Specifications. X-32 data from James All the World's Aircraft 2010/11 General characteristics. Crew 1 Capacity 1 passenger. Pity 1 passenger length 6.55 m 21 ft 6 in wingspan 9.0 m 29 ft 6 in height 2.0 m 6 ft 7 in wing area 12.33 m to 132.7 sq-ft airfoil NACA 4412 empty weight 300 kg 661 lb Max takeoff weight 495 kg 1091 lb. Power plant 1x Rotax 912 flat 4 60 kW 80 hb. Propellers 3-bladed VPSH2 Donchek variable pitch pusher performance. Cruise speed 120 km/h 75 mph 65 kn. Stall speed 55 km/h 34 mph 30 kn. Power off, flaps down. Never exceed speed 158 km/h 98 mph 85 kn. Endurance 3 HRS 20 min on normal fuel load. G limits plus 3.8/-1.9.9. Rate of climb 5.0 m/s 980 ft/min.